Hi friends, welcome to Atmospheric Painting with Watercolors on Mineral Paper. Today we'll discover how water can transform your paints into flowing abstract art. Grab your brushes and let's start this exciting color adventure.
We got calcium paper again. I'm going to try something a little different this time. I'm going to wet my paper down here, just lightly wet it. And then, I'm trying to think of what I'm going to do here. I'm going to use this. And I'm going to put a bit of yellow and a bit of orange and blue. So we're going to just take it. I'm going to get some blue. I think the paper works better, a card, using a card for doing this. All right, kind of got a mix of colors here. All right, and let's see what happens here. Might be a bit light, so we shall see. Let this flow. Just dropping water right in here. This is really interesting. Just breaking up my lumps of watercolor here. I want to catch some of this. I like these colors. Fun. Turn that around. We got all kinds of strange things happening up there. So let's get some more. I'm going to get the blue. Let's see, get some blue. And I'll just put it down here a little bit more. I don't know if there. This is carmine, and I'm going to rub that. That should make a nice purple with the blue. I'm going to add a little bit more blue. So I'm throwing a bit of water because I just had squirted color from my tubes right here. Wipe that off. Get a bit more yellow, I think. So next, clear water. Get this blob out here. Clear water right there. This is strictly watercolors, no acrylics. And we're going to, this is a saturated brush, so I'm going to just sneak up on it a little bit, right there. It just explodes. Put it on a bit of an angle, moving it around. Interesting. I'm going to just dry my brush a little bit. It's just damp. We want this to run down here. Get it down there. I use my other brush to do this a little bit of water. There we go. It's moving. We got some big blooms there. These look like colorful trees. And we got this is doubling back on itself here, which I'm not crazy about. All right, we want to get this down here, run it off the page, and you have to give it water so it moves. If you don't give it water, it does not move. Now this is looking interesting. Look at that. That one's really fun. Yep, watercolors are a winner on this one. This is the mineral paper, and I like how it's turning out here. So I'm just adding a little tiny bit of water to that lump of blue that I had sitting there. Clean my brush off. And then there's another lump right here. So I want them to expand. So I don't know if you'd call this a landscape. It's pretty wild. But I guess you could use it in whatever you want. There we go. Yeah, I like this one, guys. What do you think? This one turned out pretty cool. I think that's the best one so far. I'm gonna just play around with it. Add a little bit more water right there. So I'm just trying to get this side here to move some of that darker color. It's a really beautiful purple. There we go. All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will put the dried piece on the end of the video. So subscribe, share, really appreciate it. I need all the help I can get, and if there's anything you'd like to see me make, please make a comment. I'm happy to accommodate. I better keep my fingers off this. I really like this area right here and here. This is really cool. I don't know if you can see that, but it's really vibrant. All right, winner, got it.